If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain garden slides into these lovely glittered glamorous slides, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be adding some glitter to these little garden slides, aka fake Crocs. I picked these up. I did a short about it. I picked up a couple days ago from a sporting goods store called Rural King. And they had these on sale for $1. So I decided to get like a whole buggy full, and I'm gonna donate them to maybe like a shelter or just give them to the homeless or whatever. But I figured just because I'm donating these don't mean they have to be just plain and bland. I felt like this is a great opportunity to do like a test. So I'm gonna get straight to the point, but I don't know how well the glitter will hold up. But I just want to run a test and see. So I usually always use Mod Podge. I still am going to use Mod Podge, but for the first layer, or at least this area of where the shoe bends, I figure if I use a very strong cyanide adhesive in that area, which this will cause cloudiness on rhinestones if you use too much, I figure because it's going to hold it on there, that if I use a little bit of that in this area, that if the second coat breaks down, that it'll still hold up in certain areas. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but I'm going to use some of this on the first coat. Then on the second coat, I'm going to go normal with my Mod Podge. I may seal with Mod Podge, or I may seal with Liquid Fusion. So let me just get to the point. Anyway, I have 4 different pairs here, so I've already picked out glitters that are close to the colors of the shoe. So first I did a gentle sand on these, and I wiped them off really good with some alcohol. And now what I'm doing is adding on the Gluemasters glue, just little bits of it in the areas that I think it'll be coming off pretty good. So I'm just bending it, just trying to see where the best place to put it. And then I kind of took my little weeder tool and spreaded it on there. Now I'm pouring the glitter. I'm gonna find something else to spread this glue on with. Of course, if I would have used my finger with my glove would stick completely to the shoe. So later on, you'll see me use like a little piece of a wooden stick to do it. So this is looking really pretty already. I like how this pink glitter like really matches. Now I'm taking a nice little fluffy brush and dusting off any excess glitter. Now for the second coat, I'm doing Mod Podge. I'm afraid that if I do that other glitter on top of this, it'll make it cloudy, and plus it's just way too thin. That glue is super thin and it dries so quickly. Now for the sake of trying to cut down time for this video, I'm not going to show myself glittering each shoe. I'm going to show all pairs but not each shoe, so you'll see me skip through the process a little bit. So look how cute that's looking. So now I'm working on the second shoe. I've already put on the Gluemasters to try to cut down time, and I've already put on the Mod Podge. It's the second coat on the second shoe. Very pretty. And I hope this really holds up. It'd be nice if it did. Now I'm working on this little blue shoe, and I'm trying to add a little bit more glitter this time. And you see I have this little wooden piece, pouring that glitter on. This glitter, this blue matches the shoe very well. And I do see that the sharks are on it, so it could be like a little boy's shoe, but it could also be for a girl as well. And I'm just adding on the second coat of glitter to this shoe. And each time as I go on with each shoe, I kind of try to find a way to put more on the first coat, more of the Gluemasters, but it dries up so quickly, like I have to move really fast because it's like it evaporates after I kind of rub it in. Like I don't even know if you could see it, but it's like it disappears, so I have to hurry up and put it on. So by the time I get to the last shoe, my method is slightly different. And I really like this chunky glitter. I think the chunky glitters are kind of look, I mean, it depends on what look you're going for, but I love these chunky glitters. Now, this glitter, I actually used it before. This is only my second time using it, but I used it on a bottle of Douce, and it was just so pretty. Usually when you use the chunky glitter, you only need one coat because it's like a really nice full coverage. So I'm just doing like a little dust off test with the first layer, and it's like kind of on there really good. Now to get more precise with my Mod Podge, you see I'm using a brush with like a little sharp tip on it. So that really helped me out quite a bit. Also, I wanted to say this Gluemasters glue does have a smell, and it is very strong. So make sure you have a window or something open. Very, very, very strong smell. Another thing, I got it off Amazon for $12. I will have a link available if you're interested in this glue. Okay, so by the time I got to this lavender pair, I did it differently. I'm going like section by section. So I'm doing a little bit of glue, smoothing it in, and hurrying up and putting the glitter on. And I think you'll be able to see the difference. I feel like I had more glitter on my first layer than the other shoes. Like it was kind of like just scattered on the other shoes. And I was still kind of cool with that. But I think it's just way more coverage doing it this way. So that's how I changed up my method. And here's my second coat. Oh, and if you're wondering how long I let it dry in between, that super glue, that Gluemasters, that dries like immediately. Like in 1 minute, it's dry, really in seconds. So I just went ahead and put on my second coat in like the next 10 minutes. Now with this, I'm gonna let this dry for probably about 20 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and seal it. You can seal with Mod Podge. Definitely don't want to seal with super glue. That just will probably be a mess. But you can seal with Mod Podge. Me personally, I don't. I have before in the past, but I like to seal with TriArt. It's a product called Liquid Glass by TriArt, and to me, it holds more gloss. I think the Mod Podge, in my opinion, takes away it dulls it a little bit, in my opinion. But yeah, and if you're wondering why I use this dark purple and this lavender shoe, I don't have any lavender glitter, and I figured this would be like a cute little two-tone look. I'm going to go ahead and seal the glitter. I'm going to use this product called Liquid Glass by TriArt. I really like to use this to seal glitter because I feel like it keeps the shine better than Mod Podge does. So it's a little runny in consistency, if you can tell. So what I do, I just kind of pour it on and just take a brush. So that's what I'm going to do. And I did one coat. I'm comfortable with one coat. I'm just testing this out, and I don't want to drag this process out much longer because I have 4 shoes. I may not show myself sealing all 4 of them, but I'll show you the end result. So here you see me just working in this TriArt. I usually just do one coat of TriArt, but if you want to, if you still feel like there's some glitter flaking off, you're welcome to do 2 coats of it. Or you can use some type of sealant spray. They do have a Mod Podge sealant spray. I used that before as well. It was okay. I felt like it made stuff slightly dull as well. But these are almost finished, and they're super cute. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these little garden slides, or aka knockoff fake Crocs that I purchased for $1. Like, how amazing is that? And again, I'm giving these away to whoever needs them. And actually, I was showing these to my mother-in-law. She came over and she saw the purple ones because that lavender is her favorite color, and she had to have them. She was like, I need these. I'm like, sure, you can. I said that'll be perfect because if you keep a pair, I'll be able to keep up. I'm just showing you how they look before, just in case you forgot. And what a cute transformation. But I was like, if she keeps a pair and she wears them, she can let me know how the glitter holds up. So I thought that was pretty dope. And I'm going to find like maybe a women's shelter or something, because you see some of these are kid sizes. And I think that'd be great. Especially I need to hurry up and get these out before it gets really cold outside. But I think these came out really cute. I'm really pleased with the outcome. And I hope this gave you like some cool ideas on how you can glitter your Crocs, or how you can add some different designs to them. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And thanks again, you guys, for watching. Bye-bye.
Gluemasters.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10all. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.
And you can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe. And if you are going to subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted every time I upload a new video. Bye-bye.